party people! How are you today? I'm Unikitty and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you like arty videos, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about Whimsical Week. But to do that, I'm going to hand you off to Olive.
Hello everybody, I'm Olive the Autumn Fairy, and I was created for a drawing challenge called Whimsical Week. Today, Unikitty will show you her thought process behind her illustrated design for today's prompt. And while she watercolors, you can listen to the next installment of the story.
Day 3 of Whimsical Week was the prompt Childhood Dreams. When I was a kid, I had a dream around Christmas time that I got this blue unicorn, and if you fed it magical sparkly apples, it would grant you wishes. So I asked Santa for it, and my Nana reminds me that I said, "Santa can make you anything." And she said, "I don't think you're going to get the unicorn." But when I didn't get the unicorn, I was very disappointed and very upset. So the path from yesterday led Olive to the magical little unicorn that I didn't get for Christmas, who was munching on some apples. There was another path leading from the tree, deep into the forest. I crawled out from the doorway and leaped to my feet, brushing the clumps of dirt off my knees, timidly continuing to walk down the path. Everything looked different in this forest. The fruit looked like it sparkled, and nothing made much sense. Not like my forest. I didn't even know where my forest was, let alone my house. The sky changed colours from a bright blue to a mix of oranges, pinks and yellows as the sun started setting, and I was losing all hope of getting back home. Munch, munch. My thoughts were interrupted. Munch, munch. There it was again. I started to run faster and faster down the path, following the sound until I found a little blue unicorn munching on some red sparkly apples. She was lost and couldn't find her way home, just like me. I wish I knew which way to go home, I thought. The little unicorn's horn lit up, and the trees started rustling. Then a path appeared that I didn't see before.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked Olive's story, please like, comment and subscribe. If Whimsical Week seems interesting to you, please feel free to join, or if you're just interested in checking out the other artists' amazing work, you can also do that on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the story and what you think will happen next. And I'll see you tomorrow in another video for the next installment of Olive's story. Have a creative day, everybody. Bye!